When your electricity fails while you are working, having an online meeting, or managing your business, within seconds your inverter will take charge. But have you ever thought about who makes sure that this inverter is really safe to use? The electric inverter is a device that changes DC power from your battery into AC power for your appliances when there is a power outage. It supplies electricity to computers, Wi-Fi routers, TV, lights, medical equipment, and many other devices. But because it works with electricity all the time, even the smallest safety issue may cause overheating, electrical shock, or fire. Those are precisely the reasons why the Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, have put in place safety standards and quality requirements for such products. For the UPS and inverter systems under the BIS compulsory registration scheme, the relevant Indian standard is IS 16242, Part 1. 2014 on General and Safety Requirements for Uninterruptible Power Systems. The standard helps ensure the inverter has undergone testing in terms of electrical safety, insulation, electric shock protection, temperature rise, abnormal operation, and general performance. So how does a manufacturer get a BIS certification? Firstly, identify the relevant Indian standard for the product. Secondly, submit product samples for testing at a BIS-recognized laboratory. Thirdly, prepare the necessary documentation such as specifications, circuit diagrams, instruction manual, and test report. Fourth step, apply for BIS certification including all documentation. Finally, upon successful evaluation, BIS issues the registration and allows the product to be marketed in India. Not only is this a risk, but skipping compliance can also lead to product launch delays, lab test failures, costs, rejections of applications, and even regulatory action. Selecting the right IS standard and creating the correct documentation from the beginning will be time and cost-effective. The whole process of BIS certification becomes very easy at UMSPCS. With over 6 years of experience in regulatory affairs and 600-plus product compliance services, our specialists help with product profiling, IS standards identification, lab coordination, documentation creation, BIS application submission, and full certification support. And no matter if you're an Indian manufacturer, importer, or a foreign manufacturer trying to sell in the Indian market, your compliance journey is fully covered. Do you plan to manufacture or import UPS and inverter systems in India? Then don't let compliance stand in your way. Contact UMSPCS now and get expert assistance in your BIS certification process.